Goni gonda shows. Yeah. Now we are in the chapter 6, I think, and the uncertainty of the circumstances of the impermanent or the death. We are learning, we are studying about the situation of the impermanent, and also it is not a kind of play or just to doing something like a pleasures and funny way. It is very important to talking about impermanent, to study the impermanent, and also how it is. And we are here is talking about the uncertainty of the circumstances. Of course, there are many different ways. And one born, every human in the world, is sure to die. There is a birth, is existence, then there is a death. And if there is a birth and there is death. And this is like a kind of the dependent each other. If there is no birth, no death, no death, no birth. Once we born, and any perspective, there's no escape for the dying or the impermanent. And but also the how to, why or to like this is difficult to say. But how, why, when, there's three things. How, and it's a difficult, unpredictable, uncertainty. Why also we don't know how to. It's uncertainties. When, which time is also uncertainties. And therefore, where we are going to die cannot be predicted. How we can to say this and that, there's here, and tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we don't know next year or 10 years, 100 years after. We don't know. No one else can say for sure that our death will come about. It is the particular time or the place, and also in a certain way. And this is the 100% is sure. If we know about that, particularly time, particularly place, particularly way, then it's as a result of this or that. If we know, then it's like we can to avoid, and which kind of causes, how, when, place, everything is we know very well. We can to try to avoid. Maybe it's like to don't go through this, but this is like completely uncertainties. There are few things in this world that favor life, and many that threaten it. As the master Iyendewa pointed out, and it is the like kind of it's the truth to make the favor lives and like to extend the life, and also to support to the life, and it's very difficult, and we are trying to do our best. Take medicine, insurance, doctors, good food, good clothes, comfortable place, and so on, so on. But it's sometimes difficult to help those life-sustaining things. And there are threatened things. It's like kind of really, it's making kind of the scaring things. Like the Iyendewa, great one, Buddhist masters. And he says like, cause of the death are the numerous. There are many different aspects. and different circumstances, different cause, different where, here, and why. Difficult to say it, but it's many there is. The cause of the life are the fuse to someone to give us more life, a life to be a long life, and to support our life, maybe extend our life, and like this. Of course, sometimes we try to eat good food and to do something good, but also that is we don't know exactly. Even they may become cause of the death. And sometimes we think we eat food, probably we think it can give more long life, but sometimes it becomes the poison, toxicated, something different changed into like in the stomach, is make the death. And also maybe we think some clothes, some in the certains, there is maybe also allergy and also make problem sickness. And also it's like when we go someplace, maybe we think if I'm go to there, maybe it can make the like kind of the cause of the life. And but maybe it's to make the some is like a cause of the death. And in Malaysia, there's very funny things happened. And when these tsunamis came, there's one couple, just they married like just before the tsunamis came. And then after they married, after the 2 or 3 days, the whole entire of the families came to some in these areas. And then it's during these holidays, the tsunamis came and they passed away. Then it's the holiday itself is become the cause of the death. If they haven't got take a holiday, and that maybe they can to stay at home, they don't need to die. But this kind of sometimes to maybe it's a little bit to make like a kind of the healthy for help to cause of the life. But even this kind of sometimes turn negative way and give the cause and conditions for the death. And also this uncertainty, the cause of the death, maybe by the fire, maybe by the water, maybe some poisons. Obviously there is this kind of. And also sometimes precipices, and some is like a dangerous place, falling into some high rocky on the hole and like this kind of. Also, it's like there are some savage, like yetis, gorillas, and many different. There are can, and someone's like kind of went to in the zoo, and they are very kind of become the kind of those savages as a become kind, give food, making film, or the like kind of. Pictured, but certainly is they captured, they ate it. And this kind of sometimes many, of course, wild beast, no program. There's a manner of the mental dangers. There's many different way of make the cause of the death. Like the danger bounded a lot. Therefore, we cannot to predict it. Someone says some things to make the cause of our impermanent. It is obvious. It is not kind of exaggeration. It is the truth. But only very few things can prolong lives. And a little bit is like kind of, for example, if we can to say someone is like eat only the fruits. Maybe it's become very much long life. Or this person says like, I ate some certain fruits. It's making me a long life. But other persons to eat that way probably maybe is not. And someone's to just eat a very something different way. But someone's very such benefit, someone's doesn't. And like this is certain things, it's like telling to us truth, realities. If, of course, this is not realities, then it's what we need to talk about. It is like kind of the age is not different. Someone is very young. Maybe it's like this morning born, doesn't matter. 2 weeks, doesn't matter. 2 months, 1 year, 20 years, 10 years. And someone is like over the course for the 100 years. And also years is uncertainties. One is the impermanent and arrivals. And even food, clothes, exactly. Someone's like think food is make a long life, but food is turn into the poison. Like then is the food itself is become the cause of death. Exactly same with the clothes and other things usually considered life sustain can at times turn into cause of the death. And this and that is, I thought it is maybe it's like kind of to make the life sustains it. And once I remembered in my village, it's Dzogchen. And one in the evening, I'm coming up monastery, and there's 2 brothers, as a monk. It's very young. Everybody says, wow, wonderful, very young. And they study very well. They're reading, writings very well. And one day we go together to make a pujas. They have very nice, like a sound voice, and they read very well. Then we make joke. And they are coming down from the monasteries. And I said, it's like, don't go home. Let's go back to the monastery. And they said, no, we need to go because there's some people's going to their family's house very near the monasteries. We want to go to theirs. And then a lot of like kind of to make joke, don't go. And then of course I made just a joke. And then they went. I'm slowly come back to monastery. And then as I arrive at home, and nearby my house, there's one person. He all the time is like someone died and to prepare to clean, to tidy. But someone's like in the evening, 9, maybe 10 o'clock is coming. Like a kind of the sound is someone and carrying the horse and talking this person. Then I thought maybe, then some villages people died. And I run to it, there's someone's happened. And this person said, oh yes, it's like really inconceivable. So what happened? These 2 brothers' families, the 2 brothers come back to home. And then in the evening, they built one house for winter, benefit for winter, because winter is quite cold. And then his father and the daughter, they are going to outside to collect yak. Mother, she is like kind of give milk, something food to the children. I think 4 or 5 children at home. And then suddenly house, they have all is collapsed top of the families. And then is of course they all the other peoples came and to dig out. And then it's like a mother, the old monk, and I think 3 or 4 people died. The young monk is like one is a house collapsed. There's one pillar is very strong. Between there is didn't died. And a few is like children's not died, but it's amazing. It's like they think it's they like kind of maybe the house support for the families for winter times, maybe become more healthy, maybe may benefit. The house is kind of finished, and then mother's very happy and taking care of children. Fathers outside with old daughters collecting the yaks. Certainly there's dust is happened, house collapsed on their head. And that like this, it's difficult to say, it's like to believe. And like this, it's like also ourselves is the cause of the death. It's really not certainties, uncertainty. And therefore, it is like to know about this uncertainty of the impermanent, and each moment a little bit to prepare and to remember and to do something benefit for that. It's why not? And many like fatalities occur as the result of the eatings. And of course, there's some contaminated food. and poison not food, something if you eat, then it's, of course, immediately the food might become contaminated, or that it may be something eaten for its the beneficial purpose, but becoming and toxic, like the toxicate, or the under the certain circumstance, or it might be the thrown food for the particularly individuals. And also it's like which is the poison, which is not poison. And also it's like foods. And some food is for some persons very good, medicinal. But this food is maybe if you give other someone's, maybe this person is poisons. And like this, there is many different cause and circumstances for making the impermanent. And we should to know about that and to be carefully concerning the impermanent. And then it's like when we are concerning the impermanent, that moment we need to do something for benefit for that. You know, it's like different ways. Or you need life insurance, medical insurance, and many things we say. Why I need it? Surely you want day 6. And like they also like they don't talk about impermanent, but also maybe money, maybe also this is obvious. Or you will sick. I'm not sick. What you are very bad wish. I don't need to. It's medicine and life insurance. So they say, yeah, sure, you will sick. And they never like kind of telling to us if we sick that moment how we can to do by the minds. If we are like kind of dead possessed that, is medicine doesn't work. At that moment, how we can to mind us to control. How mind can to deal with this situation. That is never they telling to us. And it's now we need to tell ourselves how we can to do that moment. And especially nowadays, most people crave meat and consume flesh and blood without a second thought, completely oblivious to all the disease caused by old meat or the harmful meat spirits. It is the truth. And it's like this is many disease is come from it's like the flesh and blood and the meat. That is the obvious truth. And also it's like and also it's like some is like healthy and someone is very good, but you eat too much, do too much, maybe it's something different. And then it's a lot of become the disease, particularly from the meat and blood, this kind of. Indirectly, it's like kind of increase disease, and this cause make the like kind of the death. And therefore, it is very much harmful meat spread, this kind of. And also it's like unhealthy disease and lifestyle can also give rising to turmoils, disorder of the phlegm, dropsy, and other disease, causing innumerable death. There's many kind of particularly some certain foods to make the like kind of the like for example most times diabetic, liver sickness, stomach sickness, and also it's like many cancers. Also is produced by the particularly the meat and some toxic like unhealthy days is like foods. Lifestyle, and in the also it's like a lifestyle means it's like what you doing things, and there's very funny things. One guy, and he has problem some leg, and then it's a doctor said you should to work, and then it's you need to exercise. Then he every day is like kilos mile into he work, come back work. And 1 year, and his knees is a big problems, and he went back to the hospital and checked. And then in the between this and the knee, there's some, it's like a kind of calica, like kind of the not really meat, but enjoyed this thing. And say, sorry, you are too much work. It's like now it's completely finished. And then it's like this man was so angry with this daughter. Sometimes you said you should to work. Now it's too much work and you damage your feet. So why you say like this? And also sometimes even the activities, if it's like we need to take care, it's like running, someone's run. Maybe made this person think this is kind of excited, but heart attack, suddenly falling down. And this kind of also is like a lifestyle, or some is like conducts, is making the turmoils, big kind of the disordered. Then there's a different like kind of disease, is a phlegm and the dropsies and other like disease, many different. And also it's like some this kind of like liquid sickness. And this kind of is like come from the different food, different like kind of conduct. And also similarly, the cost for the riches, fames, and other glorious insisted people to fight brothers, fight the battle to brave well beast, to the cross rivers, recklessly, and to risky countless other situations they may bring about their demise. And of course, there is like a kind of someone's want to become the famous or rich. And when you become the rich, and the rich itself to make the cause of the death, and sometimes become the very famous. And this kind of the well-known as a famous also make a lot of problems. Someone says, this person's very famous. Maybe someone's killed. Someone's like make cause of the death. And also it's like, and the benefit sellers, we are like kind of the, to destroy the other animals. Like, I want to do benefit for my family, my countries. And then they are like kind of go to fight. They died in the battle. And also it's like sometimes it's like we go to very dangerous things. Maybe it's going to, there's a fun way. And one is a Western is a person, he came to in India, in the South India, near this Mysore. You go to in the areas, there's called the national park. And all the wild, like these beasts, like the cats, they're going free. And when you go to theirs, they can say, never go to outside the car. They can cut it. One person said, why not? And he went out and to make the picture, and one lion catched, and his head completely chopped. And like this, sometimes it's like this kind of such and dangerous things. We don't care, it can become the cause of the death. Of course, sometimes to cross the river, if you are carelessly to cross the rivers, and many people is died into the waters here. Myself is almost died. Once was this in Montpellier. That time also Sonia we have. We went to in the seaside. And that time I can swim in it, but not very good, absolutely, of course, still not. But then it's like there in the seaside, and then I went a little further. There's one island, rocky island, almost there's nothing, just birds landing. But I want to go to this. I have like a special, how do you say, shoes. You can't. And I went to there, it's okay. Quite is for really good swimmers, nothing there for me. And I come back in the middle. I cannot breathe. All the strength is lost. And then I'm singing. And then I thought, what can I do? Even our student, that time Matthew, there's something, run to for me, but it's already I'm singing. Then I thought, what can I do? Of course, they don't think, because I went there, and then they think I'm come back. It's okay. And then he's thinking, what can I do? And no strength. And then I a little bit move to go up and quickly to breathe and rest. As much as think, I don't care, just to rest. And then once a little bit to get strength, I'm going to fast. And then to get the breath, also. Slowly, I call like kind of back to the strength, and then I manage it. And like this, it's really like you carelessly to do something. This is really to you fun, you know. It is like you enjoy. It's kind of the follow up, the entertainment. But it's make a cause very easily for the death. It is the truth. This is really is like kind of saying to us, risk countless other situations that may bring it. And there is a countless, like really is many things, different things can make the cause of the death. This is obvious. And maybe sometimes why we need to talking about that. But of course we don't need to talk about that. But this is a truth telling to us. And then it's like a little bit to prepare. Maybe also each moment if you care. And I need to all the times to this attentionally, or I do say it's like very much mindfulness. Maybe also we can do a little bit to save and ourselves. It's like when you, it's like many masters say, it's like even if you go to some place, you need to check yourself. It is dangerous or not dangerous. Can I do it or not? And even the food, this if I eat, is for me is poison or not poison. Each moment you have the mindfulness taking care. That is also is very good. If we think about impermanent and thinking about the uncertainty of the death, and all the time to mindfulness, also it's help to us. Not only kind of funny way to telling to us uncertainty of the death like this. Maybe we can just stop 5 minutes.